This is the letter I. Just change its font and it turns into a shape that looks exactly like a paintbrush stroke. If we add this brushstroke effect to our presentations, it'll instantly make them look more polished and interesting, guaranteed to wow your audience. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this awesome brush effect using nothing but a single letter. Let's cut the chatter and jump right in. First things first, we need to download a font called Road Rage. Install it on your computer, and don't worry, it's 100% free for personal use, so copyright isn't an issue at all. Now open up PowerPoint. Insert a text box and type the letter I. Resize it until it's just the right size. Then change its font to the Road Rage font we just installed, and there you go. You can see it instantly transforms into a brushstroke shape. Now comes the most important step, insert any random shape onto the slide. Next, select the letter I and select the shape you just added. Head over to the Shape Format tab, find the Merge Shapes option, and click Subtract. You'll notice the extra shape disappears and the original letter I is now converted into an editable shape. Now I'm going to copy this shape a few times. Arrange them in a staggered, overlapping order, just like how actual brush strokes would look layered on top of each other. Once you're happy with the layout, select all the shapes at once. Go back to Shape Format, hit Merge Shapes again, and combine them into one single unified shape. Then resize this merged shape to fit your needs. Next, insert an image onto the slide. Send it to the bottom layer so it sits behind the brush shape. Drag the image around until it's perfectly positioned under the shape. Now here's the key step. Select the image first, then select the brush shape. Go to Shape Format, click Merge Shapes, then choose Intersect. And just like that, you've got yourself a picture with a cool custom brush stroke frame. Add some text to go with it, and doesn't this slide look way better than just a plain old image on a blank page? But wait, we can take this brush effect even further with another style. Start by inserting any shape again. Select the letter I first, then the new shape, and use the Subtract tool under Merge Shapes, same as before. That will turn the letter into an editable shape once more. Now resize this shape to make it bigger, flip it around, and arrange it vertically on the slide. Copy the shape, place one on each side, and you'll have a perfectly symmetrical look. Next, take the image you prepared earlier and paste it onto the slide. Select the image first, then select both brush shapes. Go to Shape Format, choose Merge Shapes, then click Intersect. And just like that, you've created another totally unique brush stroke photo effect. This trick is so simple, but it can take your boring, basic slides and turn them into something super stylish and eye-catching, adding that little extra wow factor your audience will love. All right, that's it for today's tutorial. I'm Dream. Be sure to follow my channel for more content.